Hey guys, welcome back, and hello if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing video which I'm super excited about. We're gonna be unboxing the brand new FABFITFUN box for spring. And also this box is so stinking cute, cannot even get over just the outside packaging, so yeah. We're gonna be unboxing this. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would know that I do love beauty and fashion, obviously, but I also do love fitness, and I have been working out a lot more recently, and it's been that way for about a year and a half now, so I really wanted to incorporate some type of other content on here as well, and we're probably gonna get into like some meal videos and things like that, just kind of switching things up so it's not always beauty, and this is literally the perfect box to do so. So I figured I would share with you guys with this one for spring, and I'm very excited to go ahead and dive right on in. I have a thing for butterflies, so seriously, this package showed up and I was like, okay, that is seriously stunning. So I cannot wait to see what's inside with all of the goodies. This video is also in partnership with FABFITFUN, so I wanted to say thank you to them. Always going to be 100% real with you. I also used to get these boxes about 2 years ago on my Instagram, so if you have been following me, you may have seen me do little unboxings over there as well. So this isn't my first time receiving the box. So they are seasonal boxes, so you're able to get them 4 times a year, and if you are an annual member, you will be able to get the box first, which is really cool. And they are $49.99. The value of it is over $200, which is seriously insane to me. So when you use the code Blissful, you'll be able to save on your first box $10, so it'll knock it down to $39.99, which is so incredible. Highly, highly recommend that, and I genuinely love these boxes. I love there's like a purpose to it. They give back to charities, and it's just awesome. So each season's box has a theme, and this season is Metamorphosis. Hello, cute little butterfly. Yeah, we love growth. So like I said, I do love beauty, fashion, and lifestyle things as well. So you'll be able to see all of that in here, and they're full-size items. They're not little samples, like they're full-size items. Ooh, woo, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Okay, so this box has little butterflies in the entire thing. So there's also a little magazine in here which pretty much breaks down what's in the box and the value and price of everything in the box. Able to see exactly how much everything was. Little coupons and little gift cards for HelloFresh. You get 9 free meals, awesome. They also partner with charities, which I think is so incredible. I love that. And also they partner with female-founded companies, so it's just a win-win, you know? So this is what it looks like when I open it up, and I'm seriously so hyped. I see so many amazing product. That's another great thing about this box, that you kind of discover new brands and then also rediscover brands as you get it, or like it's an item you'll see in a store and you're like, no, I'm not gonna get it, it's a little pricey, but then you get it in your box and you're like, okay, I've been wanting to try you. So it's like, you just get your money's worth, I feel. One item in this box could be $50, and that's the actual amount of the box, so you would pay only 4 times a year. So first item I see, which I am seriously drawn to, if you guys know me or you know, can tell right now, I love jewelry, and I'm wearing a bunch of necklaces. It's just my cup of tea. So these necklaces right here are so stinking cute. They're like pendants, and they're like layered. Oh, I am obsessed with this. This is a double coin necklace, and this actually is $50. So as you can see right there, the price of the box is literally this. So excited to wear these. This is literally my style, my go-to. I'm actually layering necklaces right now, so I feel like I'm gonna wear this like tonight, tomorrow. I don't know. I wanna wear them right now. So if I wasn't wearing this, I'd be putting this on. But this is awesome. This is by the brand Amber Screets. Love that. Next thing in this box is AG Haircare. This is their fast food leave-on conditioner. Now I see this all the time whenever I'm in Ulta. I see it literally everywhere, and I never ever pick it up, and I don't know why. I hear it's amazing, and I love leave-in conditioners. I have a lot of hair, and I just love having a smooth, soft hair. Obviously, who doesn't? But like, I just love a leave-in conditioner. So after the shower, I'll pop it on, and it'll just feel extra hydrated and extra moisturized. This retails for $24. I hear this brand is really nice. It's more prestigious. Wow, this smells like candy. I don't know what kind. Kind of like Skittles, but like not so overpowering, if that makes sense. So nice. I'm really excited to use this. Like I said, I always eye it in the store and I never pick it up. So that's another thing that's amazing about this box. These boxes are also available for the UK, Canada, and the US. Okay, next item in here are these silicone straws. And if you know me, I drink coffee every single morning, and most of the time it is iced coffee. Sometimes it's hot in the mornings when I initially wake up, but whenever I have an iced coffee, obviously I'm using straws, and it's not so good to use a plastic straw. These are 4 silicone full bloom collection straws. These are $15. Ooh, super cute. Comes with a little cleaning utensil, which is so helpful. I actually own like a few thicker silicone straws, but they're like a lot thicker than these, and I don't have a cleaning utensil, so like that's gonna come in handy for me personally. But I love the fact that they're not so chunky, they're very thin. Oh, and there's also a little carrying case as well, so you just kind of like fold these down into there. Very smart. I have a tiny drop of my coffee left. I'm actually going to put it in here and try it out. I didn't wash the straws. I advise to wash them, but just wanted to test it out quickly. And yes, I'm going to be loving silicone straws like that. Okay, so this next item I have is retailing for $135. I thought I was not reading that correct, but I'm reading it correct. I believe it's called 111 Skin. I think that's how you say it. It's the Rose Gold Radiance Booster. Hello. I really thought I wasn't reading that right. If you guys like watch me, you know I love a radiance. Oh, this is so pretty. Ooh, look how pretty that packaging is. Hello. If you guys watch me, just can tell by this video, I love a glowy makeup look, but I also like when my skin is very radiant looking. And I know there's like two different things, an over highlighted look and then radiance. I love like a radiant look. So it comes on this little dropper. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. It's rose gold, like it said. Let's feel it. I'm gonna put it on my hand. Very, very pretty. Ooh, it smells just like roses. Really pretty. I can't get over the price tag of this though. Awesome, awesome. So it pretty much says just to shake well before use, mix 1 to 2 drops with your moisturizer or apply directly to the skin after cleansing. I'm going to love this. This is going to be amazing. I'm going to savor every single drop. I've never heard of this brand actually, so discovering a new brand, I love that. And yeah, as you can see, that looks pretty radiant to me. Okay. So you are able to customize your boxes like I said before, but if you don't, then they kind of just choose it for you, and then it's a surprise. So when it comes and shows up at your door. So this is a thermal spring water, which I think is so cool. I know of a few other brands like at the drugstore that are kind of similar to this, but I've never tried them. So when you don't have makeup on, this is going to be an awesome little spray to rehydrate your skin. This is $14 and let's try it out. This is also good for sensitive skin, so that's good. I'm gonna shake it up. Ooh, such a fine mist. This is also awesome to bring to the gym with you. I know that sounds a little weird, but if you throw it in your gym bag or in the car with you and you want a little bit of a hydration mist, I feel like this is going to be perfect. Love that. This is going to be awesome for spring and summertime. Love it. Next item in here is this Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush by the brand Aria Beauty. Super cute. Love that little picture right there. That's the little rose gold. Oh, it's pretty large as well, like a nice size to it. It says this professional paddle brush features extended bristles for easy detangling and reduces stress on the hair and scalp during blow drying and styling. Ideal for smoothing hair during blow drying to create smooth, straight style and softness. Oh, that's great. So it actually does get like every single hair. I know that's like sounds weird when we're reviewing a brush, but sometimes like skips, you know? Cool, and it's super pretty, so why not? Love it. Ooh. I'm excited, it's a cardigan. All right guys, so this cardigan retails for $99 and oh my goodness, it feels so soft. It's by the brand Donnie. Oh my God, it's so pretty. It has these really nice little like lines going down in like an olivey, like gray, green color. It's just like an open cardigan. Oh my God, I love this. So cute. Obviously like it doesn't go with the purple shirt I have on right now. Last item in this box is by the brand Wish. It's a blue matcha restoring mask. Ooh, antioxidants rich skin balancing. So I love masks. I do them honestly at least once a week, but sometimes like twice a week. So this is going to be blue matcha. Has both restoring and purifying properties that will leave your skin radiant after just one use. Okie dokie, I'm excited. And I believe this retails for $50 something as well. Let's open it up. It smells so clean, like very, very fresh and clean. And I believe I've gotten one other item from this brand too, from an older box years ago. So that's awesome. So another item that I'm able to kind of test out the brand again. Love that. Cannot wait to use this. I'll probably be using it tonight. And who doesn't want to get over $200 worth of product in one box sent to your house on your doorstep for like $50 every season? Love that. I just Overall, love it all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. That was everything that's in this box. I'm gonna have everything listed below for you guys, so definitely check there. So yeah, I believe that is all for this video. I will see you guys in my next one.